Amgen is an innovative biotechnology company. What innovations does your company offer to patients in Poland? What are you working on? And what kind of barriers do you see in access to innovations in Poland?
Thank you very much for the question. So Amgen in Poland was established 20 years ago, and we have two main activities. We do clinical trials, so we bring these innovative medicines for patients even before the registration and make it available in form of clinical trials. In Amgen, Poland is the fifth biggest market, so in a very high position, I would say, compared to like other European markets even. The second thing that we do is to bring these innovative medicines to patients that are in clinics. We are present in hematology and oncology. We are present in cardiology. We are present in immunology and general medicine. And we are, as we speak, launching a new therapeutic area which is related to rare diseases. As you may have heard that in Poland there are 3 million patients suffering from different rare diseases, and this is basically as the size almost the same as the diabetic population. So it's a very important therapeutic area where the unmet need is very high. And in terms of barriers that we see in Poland is related to the predictability of the legislation and access to these innovative medicines that innovative companies bring to patients. There was a recent analysis have been published recently. It's called the Informa Gap analysis that compared Poland to other Visegrad countries. And what we see in this data that the access has been improved, especially in oncology and rare diseases, but still a lot to be done in order to provide better access to these modern medicines for Polish patients.
So from what I can hear from you, Poland is a good market for the clinical trials. Is that correct?
Exactly. So like at Amgen, Poland is the fifth biggest market for clinical trials. So Amgen invested significantly in order to build these capabilities here in the country. And we are constantly improving and bringing new clinical trials for Polish patients. This is a significant economic benefit for the country and also significant patient benefit because these patients can benefit from these new modern therapies even before it becomes available in the marketplace.
Do you see any threats for the clinical trials in connection to the new European Union pharma legislation?
Yeah. Stability and predictability is very important for these activities. As we know, predictability brings more investment to the markets. And in case this European legislation will be jeopardizing the currently available investment ecosystem, that might drive investments further away from Europe. As we know, European clinical trial investments have been growing recently 4% per year. But in the US and in China in particular have been growing double digits. So we need to actually increase the incentives for clinical trials and for innovative developments and not reduce it.